Good morning, everybody. I am out here in the desert. Just got to Coachella. I gave you everything. Just kidding. I am actually at Grange. If you don't know already, I love cars and I love drifting. I'm out here with Teddy and we're at the track for this super big event called Super D. There's about, I think, 80 cars or more. It's pretty exciting. I'm gonna do some ride-alongs. I'm even gonna try to film a challenge while Teddy's driving. Stay tuned for that. Let's get this day started. Come back to.
This is a
race
true race queen right here. Like
I love it. I love it. Taco's taking me for my first ride.
This car's probably gonna feel a lot different than Teddy's.
Everybody, this is what drifting is. It's really fun. You can almost get out your car and ghost ride the whip right now, Taco.
I probably could. I had a stomachache. I had a McDonald's for breakfast.
Oh no.
Then I saw some guy eating a banana, and I was like, that's why he looks like that, and this is why I look like this.
Just kidding. Eventually, I think. But I think Teddy's finally ready to go. He's taking too long setting up these cameras.
That was an axle.
First run, Teddy's axle broke.
It's the story of my life.
It's the teal curse, you guys.
It's the damn story of my life.
Oh, didn't even go on one run. It's okay, we'll fix it.
That wasn't even one run. That was
not,
that was turn one. I think I broke an axle. No way. On the first turn. No way. I'm gonna do one more lap. All right. I can't even move. All right, we have momentum.
Woo!
We have momentum. Well, the trick is not to stop. If we stop, we're screwed. I'm going home.
Oh, come on.
Let's pack it up.
All right, let's go. So Teddy's working on his car. We found an axle.
You broke it the same exact spot.
Yay!
Hello, Nevaehans. Welcome to another episode of Naturally Nevaeh.
He's trying to fix this so we can get back on the freaking track. And it's lunchtime now. I think we get food. I'm gonna get food. What do you want?
Barbecue. You should see this.
Thank you. I got you food.
I can do it.
I just had barbecue. See how that goes.
It's gonna be great.
Oh yeah.
Good thing we're next to the party hut.
Oh yeah.
This is my life, guys. You think I'm in the recording studio like singing all the time? I am helping this guy with
She's
his
shooting our show.
Girlfriend of the Year award. It goes to me.
She's my Wonder Woman. I'm just like spinning in the shower.
I'm gonna take some photos. Hopefully it's still light out so I can do my drifting challenge.
Oh my god, if my car starts running, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because currently it's not working. I had a good run with Taco though. Anyways, I'm gonna help this guy, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I found my babe. Hi. We're ugly. She does not. Can you like please tell her that she's freaking gorgeous? We're out here dying because it's like 1,000,000 degrees outside. Teddy's car's still broken down, and we're trying to party. And oh my god, why is it blurry? Hello. Blurry? Oh, maybe it's not. Is it blurry? We need it to be nighttime already. Only 3. It's too early. It's really. We're gonna be up for 24 hours, 48 hours.
Oh yeah.
So I don't think this is happening.
I'm ready. Like
You're ready.
Yeah, it's so cute. Like gold.
Give me
Party. Say hi.
I'll just say party every day.
I'll just do this and then put your voice over it.
So awkward.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Jacqueline. So cute. You guys, I think she had too much to drink. I think. We're gonna check up on you guys later. Bye. Bye. Hey everybody, it's nighttime. As you can tell, it's getting dark, and Teddy finally fixed his axles, and we got the little underglow going on, glow in his engine bay. His TVs. What a racer. Hi Daniel. Look at the dog! Oh my god! What the heck, Jack? Sorry, you found your poison.
What's up?
Are we gonna go out now?
You ready? Let's go right now.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go. You got games on your phone? What kind of games you got?
Alright,
Let's go. Let's do it.
We're going.